Hope you're enjoying the show. This is a delightful segment coming to you with one of the outstanding artists from the Indian subcontinent, a lady who's been in probably 300-400 films, a very, very popular face from India, none other than your favorite, Miss Aruna Irani.
मैं मर्द हूँ
और मैं कौन हूँ?
मेरी औरत नहीं मैं कॉफी बहुत अच्छी बनाती हूँ।
मर गया, बर्बाद हो गया।
के रक्षकों, आज ये बात बोलकर तुमने उन तमाम शहीद आत्माओं को दुखी कर दिया जिन्होंने इस देश को आजाद करवाने में अपनी जानें कुर्बान कर दी।
मुझे नौकर नहीं बनना है माँ, मैं मालिक बनूंगा। मालिक बनना है तो खेतों में काम कर, क्योंकि असली खजाना किताबों में नहीं जमीन में छुपा है बेटा।
माँ ये क्या कर रही हैं आप?
मैं जानती हूँ बेटा, मैं तेरी गुनहगार हूँ। जो चाहे मुझे सजा दे, लेकिन अपनी माँ को छोड़ के मत जा बेटा। क्या मालूम है तुम्हें? क्या तुम नहीं जानते कि रूपा शेखर के बगैर जिंदा नहीं रह सकती? अभी क्या कमी है शेखर में? वो हमारी रूपा से इतना प्यार करता है कि अपना घर बार छोड़कर यहाँ बैठा है। लेकिन आप अपनी जिद के खातिर ये शादी नहीं करना चाहते।
मेरे बेटे को बेवकूफ कहा तूने? अच्छा छोड़ो, 4 क्लास क्या पास कर दी, मेरे बेटे के बारे में कुछ भी कहेगी? लेकिन सुना आपने, ये कहती क्या है मेरे बेटे को? अनपढ़ गंवार है मेरा बेटा। क्या कहना क्या है तुझे? अरे छोड़ो, अब ऐसे थोड़ी होता है। शादी के कार्ड बन गए, लोगों को पता है कि शादी होने वाली है। कभी शादी के लिए हाँ कहती, कभी ना कहती, ये कोई बात है?
सेठ, काम तो मैं समझ गई, दाम की बात करो। कम है। इस 6 इंच की पहाड़ी देखकर कोई भी मेरी मीरा बन सकती है।
हो गई ना मैं पराई, टूट गए ना मुझसे तेरे सब रिश्ते।
क्या कह रही हो माँ?
और नहीं तो क्या, ये सब काम तो अपनी शौक से कर रहा है।
Aruna ji, welcome to the show. Tell me, how did you enter the film industry?
Film industry is a long story. I used to work on Gujarati stage, and there Mr. Baubhai Mistry had come to see the drama. So he asked me whether you would like to act in a film, and I jumped.
I see.
Nothing like it, na?
Right, sure.
Better offer.
Right.
I said, yeah, definitely courage. There he asked me to do a comedy role. There how I started my career. Then 3-4 years I didn't get anything. Still 4 years more I had to struggle. And then later on I started getting work, and that's how I came in the industry.
Aruna ji, thousands and thousands of people around the world have watched your films. I think you're one of the greatest artists in India. As Rekha herself said, credit goes to you. You've done tremendous performance in majority of your films.
Dil Tujhko Diya, Mohabbat, and Aqlmand.
Aqlmand, you're starring with Jitendra, right?
Yeah.
I see. What is the story about approximately Aqlmand?
It's a
modern
doctor
theme,
and,
or?
yeah, modern film.
I see.
It is not that all violence and all those sort of a film.
I see.
It's a different subject.
I see.
That how a man, who thinks, wants to have affairs with a lot of girls, and how he can't, and when he falls into one, how he comes into a problem.
Another thing, Aruna ji, people know you very well as a very well-known dancer in the films.
Yeah,
Where did
they
you
think so.
Where did you learn to dance?
I didn't learn my dancing at all, when I joined the films. Masters used to teach me, and that's how I picked up.
I see.
I didn't learn anything Bharatnatyam or Kathakali or Kathak or any particular dance.
I see.
No, I have not learned base at all of dance.
I see. Your performance in Bemisal was outstanding. It was a beautiful role. I like to show some segments from some of your movies to the audience. Okay, just for the benefit of viewers, we are now going to be showing you a little glimpse of Miss Aruna Irani in action, and she's done an outstanding role in this film, Bemisal, Millie, and others. Let's watch some segments.
सुनिए,
जी?
एक बात तो बताइए, आपने इतना अच्छा गाना कहाँ से सीखा?
मैं उस बिल्डिंग में कैसे रह सकता हूँ जिसमें बस एक फ्लोर नीचे मुझे जीना सिखाने वाली मिली, न जाने किस दिन मर जाने वाली है।
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप। जीना सीख जाने के बाद टिकने की जरूरत क्या है? पर आप जीना सीख नहीं पाए शेखर बाबू। जीना सीख जाने वाले किसी को मरता छोड़कर यूं भाग नहीं जाया करते।
मैं उसे मरता नहीं देख सकता रुना जी।
आपके देखने से या न देखने से कुछ नहीं बदल सकता शेखर बाबू। मिली कहती थी आप हजारों में एक है, लेकिन मैं सोचती थी आप हजारों में नहीं लाखों में एक है। पर शेखर बाबू आप तो एक मामूली आदमी निकले। चाहिए, आप शौक से चाहिए। मिली आपके बगैर भी मर सकती है।
Those were beautiful scenes from some of your movies that we have just seen. You know, you're very versatile. You know, you can fit into any types of roles as we have seen. You know.
Thanks, sir.
Aruna, you tell me something. You know, you're extremely popular not only in the Hindi film industry, but you're also very popular in the Gujarati film industry, which is a big industry from what I understand as well.
Of course.
Tell us about your involvement and some of your films from the Gujarati movies.
Gujarati films, you know, we make films all sorts of there.
Right.
Like Gujarati में बोलो चाल छे.
I don't know, but I'd love.
ગુજરાતીમાં અમને લોકો પિક્ચર બનાવી છે કે વાયલન્સ હોય છે અને કોઈ પિક્ચર હોય છે માવિના સોનો સંસાર જેવી ઇમોશનલ ત્યાં અમને બહુ ડિફરન્ટ રોલ્સ કરવા મળે છે.
Lovely. Shatru is a delightful man. What do you think of Shatrughan?
Oh, very nice person.
He's such a jovial
Yeah,
man. Right?
and even Ranjit, don't think that he's a villain at all.
Is that right?
No,
I
he's
see.
a very nice person. You must meet him.
I see.
Very jolly person. Another jolly person is in our group is Mr. Asrani.
देगा तो मैं तेरी गर्दन तोड़ दूंगा, समझे?
छोड़ो, टूट जाएगा, मैं जाके तोड़ दूंगी। अजी काले चोर से हो, हमें इससे क्या?
और इधर आके जरा मेरे पैर दबा, चल!
Tell me about your family. You know, where are they? Where do they
Yeah,
live?
we are about 8 brothers and sisters, 5 brothers, 3 sisters.
Right.
And we have a very good start because we love, we fight, we do everything.
That's excellent. Listen, you've been very, very sweet. I don't want to hold you anymore. I know you have an important shooting assignment, but we would love to see you in Toronto. When you come to Toronto, we'd like to get you into our studio
Yeah.
and do a very nice interview with you.
Definitely, and I wish you to see you all there.
It'll be. Thanks very much.